Booster shots may be the future to fight COVID-19. Moderna and Pfizer say that their shots are at least 91% effective for 6 months. They are now calling to get booster shots. While the CDC and the FDA say that's not necessary yet, there are trials looking into a third dose. On Your Side's Kaylee Tracy's live tonight outside the Jacksonville Center for Clinical Research. And Kaylee, you spoke with the doctor heading up these studies. What does he have to say?
Well, the COVID booster study here started about a month ago, and Dr. Michael Koren says we should have scientific answers to that booster shot question in 2 to 3 months as the study here progresses. That'll be before winter, and he says we'll see what the data says.
I thought I had a placebo because I had no side effects.
Lori Brown enrolled in the Pfizer 2-dose COVID vaccine trial last year.
I really feel led to do this.
Now she's a part of the Pfizer booster study and got her booster shot Wednesday.
When you first enrolled, did you have any family or friends or anyone out there say, "What are you doing? You don't know"?
Yes, almost all of them.
But since she enrolled in the studies and her family saw she didn't have side effects from the vaccine, Brown says it convinced her family to get the shot.
They figured if a 71-year-old didn't have side effects, they'd be fine.
Brown is one of about 150 people in the Jacksonville Center for Clinical Research's Pfizer booster study.
By getting a third vaccine, we may be able to increase antibody levels, but how that translates into the trade-off of further protection versus just the side effects of having your immune system reactivated is something that we're looking at now.
Dr. Michael Koren heads up the study. He says they're also evaluating how long initial immunity lasts from the initial 2 doses and how variants impact the vaccine.
The good news is that the people who are fully vaccinated with the 2 doses tend to do well. They can still have breakthrough infections, but those infections tend to be mild. And so the vaccines are highly protective.
Until they have answers in 2 to 3 months, Koren asks for patience.
I would encourage people to not go to the extreme of saying, I have to get that 3rd dose booster, because we just don't know if it's really worth it.
As for now, Koren and Brown urge everyone to get the vaccine.
It's the right thing to do, not only for you and your family, but, you know, for the United States.
Koren says both Pfizer and Moderna are looking to reformulate their booster vaccines to help fight this Delta variant. We could be updated, of course, on air and online. For now, reporting live on the South Side, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.